everyone, I'm here to enlighten you with information I believe everybody should know. And today I want to talk to you guys about a spiritual understanding known as only now. I believe this understanding could help individuals ease themselves with stress and anxiety. But before I go any further, I want to tell you what only now means. The only now is a reference known as the only thing that matters is now. And I believe that's where a lot of people find themselves into anxiety and stress, is because they are very much worried about the future or in very much regret of the past. And there's actually like a saying that's from a movie, Kung Fu Panda, where this Kung Fu master, it's a cartoon of course, where he says that the past is history and the future is a mystery, and that the present is a gift. That is why it's called a present. Actually, the present. That's why it's called that. And I believe that that saying is 100% true. I believe everything that has happened to you, me, anyone in their past was meant to be. You could either learn off of it or dwell in it. But the only way that that past means anything is because it affects you now. So why have the past affect now in a negative way? Why? Because there's no actual reason for that. You might as well make the best of now. It's actually way better for your health. And you just overall, it's better for you to look at things in a positive way. And in the future being a mystery, you don't know what's going to happen in the future. You could always predict or plan for the future, but the only way you can actually do that is doing that now. Do you get where this saying is relevant, I guess you could say? You could stress yourself out about the future, but when that future comes, you're stressed about now, which turns into your past. And then the future's not even that bad, and then you regret the past of you stressing about the future. There's no point in putting yourself into a negative state of mind. Just make the best of now. The moral of this saying is simply just to make the best of now. But that decision is up to and only you. You could look at the past in regret and dwell in negativity in this present. That will affect your future. It's just a matter of time till you realize that being such a negative person, state of mind, in situations you simply have no control over, unless you're a time traveler, affect your overall being. Or see it in a positive way and attract positivity. Because you're not going to be positive if you're negative. So if you're negative now, you're not going to be positive here in about a day, an hour, 10 minutes. It's all connected to now and to you, whoever's watching this. And just know that you will get through it. You just have to be willing to put a smile on your face and look at things in a different way that you never did before. But I believe that this saying, understanding the spiritual thing of now, can help people in anxiety states and stress states, because you simply just don't need it. And of course it's going to come into your life, but why not be at a better state when those things happen and attract a better outcome? If you understand that, you understand it. If not, I tried. But that's all I really wanted to say today. I hope you found this video very helpful, and make sure to check out my other videos on enlightenment. But thank you for watching, and much love.